In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format your text in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So I have my example dataset right here. This is actually an invoice. And what I want to do would be to format some of the text right here so they would stand out. For example, let me just zoom in right here. We have the company name at the top, the invoice right there. So for me to format this, all I have to do would be to tap on the cell. There you have it. And you also have some shortcuts at the bottom. You have your bold and your text color. You also have your text alignment, the cell fill color, and adding your rows and columns. So we're going to focus on formatting the text, and that would be to just tap on the format tool at the top right here. There you have it, and we have our format options. So we have the bold right here, italic, underline, and strike through. To deselect some of those options, all you have to do would be to tap on it again. And there you have it. So I'm going to stick with the bold. And for the alignment, that's going to be on the left. So that's for our horizontal alignment. For vertical alignment, we have the top, middle, and bottom. Let's have it in the middle. For the size of our text, to increase that, all you have to do would be to tap on this arrow pointing up. There you have it. Let's definitely make it bigger, make it stand out more. For the text color, which is our next option right here, there you have it. It's in black. If we were to change this, all we have to do would be to tap on the color, and we have those different shades for that color. Let's select this one. There we have it. And we also have our font style. So right now it's at Arial. If we change that into something else, let's say lobster right here, that is what it's going to look like. Or maybe Laura. Okay, we're sticking to Laura. For the text rotation, now I don't really need to use this, but if you do need to rotate your text, here are the options: tilt up, down, stack vertically, rotate up, or rotate down. So we're not going to use any of those. You can also customize the angle. There you have it. Just input the number and select OK. So now we have formatted our company name right here. And if we want to do more, again, just select on that cell and tap on the format tool at the top. Other than all the options that we did, to clear our formatting, we have that option at the bottom. So if you want to start over, just tap on that and it will go back to its original state. So right now we'll format this invoice. Again, put it in bold, then increase the size. There we go. Change the text color as well. Let's put it in red right here. Darker one. There you have it. And for the font style, let's also put it in Laura. And there you have it. So those are the simple options that you can use in formatting your text using your Google Sheets app here on the iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.